there's more grass to eat.
Just stay there. Stay there, stay there, stay there.
Daddy, I got it.
Come here. Look, now we'll go there. That's my back. Come here, in the front. Here in the front.
They're scared of Zion. They thought Zion is a sheepdog. They thought Zion is a dog. They're scared, oh. It's funny. Whenever Zion is around, they're like scared. Froggy cows. Hi. Nice talking to you. Takot sila talaga kay Zion, no? Ayan, no? Takot sila, oh. Ayaw na lang gumalaw, eh. Oh, mga marites, oh.
Sabi nila, may nakita kaming tiyanak.